in a world that watches closely. In a world that watches closely. It is strange what goes unseen when bombs fall in Iran and lives are lost in places meant for learning. The silence is heavy, almost deliberate. Yet when Iran responds, the world finds its voice again, calling for restraint, for calm, for peace. The balance feels uneven. Israel speaks of identity, of history, of survival. Yet in Gaza, suffering stretches across years. Infrastructure broken, families grieving, childhood interrupted by fear. And still, global reactions remain divided, measured differently depending on who acts. The United States too carries a past the world cannot forget. From the shadows of atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki to its ongoing influence in global conflicts, it speaks of security and energy, of uranium for development. Yet history reminds us how easily such power can turn destructive. So when Iran seeks similar capabilities, the response is swift, firm, and often unified. This contrast raises difficult questions about fairness, about power, about whose actions are justified and whose are condemned. Still, beyond governments and narratives, there are people in Iran, in Gaza, in many places, resilient, enduring, living within the consequences of decisions beyond them. Perhaps the real challenge is not choosing sides, but recognizing that justice must be consistent to be real. Because a world that measures pain differently risks losing its moral voice altogether.